Lecture 8. Set reminders so you don't forget anything. We have all had that moment when we say, I completely forgot, whether it's a class, a deadline, or even a personal task. Missing something important can throw off your whole day. Luckily, Outlook makes it easy to avoid that. In this lecture, you will learn how to set reminders in Outlook so you can stay on the top of your schedule and never miss a thing, whether it's an event, task, or email follow-up. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this session, you will understand how Outlook reminders work, learn how to set reminders for calendar events, tasks, and flagged emails, know how to adjust reminder times to match your needs. Reminders for calendar events. When you create a new calendar event like a class or meeting, like going to this calendar tab, clicking on this, and by clicking on this new event, enter event details like title, time, etc. For example, class meeting. Look for the reminder drop down, like here is the option for reminder. You can click on that and you can have a reminder 5 minutes before this event starts, 15 minutes, half an hour, or even one day before this event starts. Outlook will send a pop-up and or sound alert when the time comes. Reminders for tasks. If you are using Outlook's tasks feature to manage your to-dos, create a new task, set a due date, check the box that says reminder and select the time and date, so you get a notification or a reminder at that specific time. Reminders for emails using flags. You can also add reminders to emails you flag for follow-up. For example, you will go to this email section and you can just flag an email like this. For example, you want to flag this one. You can just right click on that flag icon next to the email and select any of these options, like for example today, tomorrow, this week, or next week as well. For example, I just want this email to have a reminder to be opened or to follow up next week. You can click on that. Here you can see you have set a reminder for this specific email. Outlook will remind you to respond or follow up at the set time. Managing your reminders. To see and manage your upcoming reminders, go to the tasks pane or calendar view. Here you have all the reminders and events in this section. You can just go to this month view and you can just click on this one. Here you can see as we have made this event recurring every week unless or until at the end of this year 2025. So you have this event reminder every week at this specific time. So this is how you can use reminders in Microsoft Outlook.